Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to refund payment on Scotia Bank. Now the first thing I want you to do is log in, and here on the left hand panel you will see move money. Okay, I want you to click on this, and then I want you to just click here on your e-transfers. Okay, so come here, then click on transfer history. We want to view the history of the transfers we made so that we can refund the payments. And you'll see all your personal and small business account here. And it'll ask you which account to choose. So right here you'll see your transfer history for the account I have. So this one is City Utilities. Okay, you can click here on this arrow, and this one is still pending. Okay, you can only cancel, by the way, or refund payments that are still pending. So this one right here, you can cancel the transfer, and then come here, select the deposit where the funds will be canceled and refunded to. So I'll choose this one, the basic account, and click on cancel transfer, and the amount, okay, will be refunded back to my basic account. Really that easy. As you can see, it has been canceled. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.